Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got this nail gel to show you from Modelones. This is a glitter nail gel. I was really excited to try this. They did send me this for review and I am in love with it. I absolutely love it. I saw it on the website on Amazon and I saw all the colours and I was just like, oh, I really want to try that. So yeah, they sent this to me and I'm just going to show you what's in the box. So it comes with 6 pots of glitter gels. And it also comes with a little brush, and then you get some sort of instructions on the top of the box, but to be honest I don't think these instructions really match the gel. I think they're more for gel polish or something like that, so I didn't go into that much detail. I mean they are glitter gels, but they're more like I'd say they were like a builder gel, but they do self-level really well. I was really surprised. You'll see when I swatch them in a minute, but I'm just going to show you this brush because how cool is this? Just watch. Pop! I love that, the way it pops out. It's so cool, a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to be using this brush to swatch them all. And I couldn't stop playing with it because I'm childish like that. And yeah, it really amused me, that brush. So definitely using that. So yeah, you get 6. So I'm just going to get them out of the box and then I'll just show you what they look like in the pots before I start swatching them. So this first one, this is number 1001. This is called Oscar's Skirt and it is a silver holographic. Can you see that shining? It's gorgeous. I love that. So you can see how much glitter's in there. You get some of these glitter gels and they're mainly clear gel with a few bits of glitter in, but this is really, really packed in tight, this glitter. And I love that about these. So this one is 002, the champagne glitter. So I really like that colour. These are all holographic. They've all got holographic glitter in. Now the next one, 003, this is a gold one and it is different. It looks a bit similar to the previous one, the champagne one, but they are different. So when I've swatched them on the sticks, you'll be able to see them next to each other. And then the next one, 004, this is a pink one. They do all have names as well on the pots, but I did this a while ago and I can't remember what they're called and I can't squint in enough to see them, what the names are, but look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that pink. That's one of my favourite ones, definitely. In fact, I love them all. But I think this one, 005, is my all-time favourite. This one, just wait for this. Oh, look at that. Look at that colour. I love it. Really love it. Gorgeous. So I can't wait to see what that one looks like. And then the last one, 006, this is a black one. It's called Classic Black. And I've never had a black glitter before, so this is interesting. So if you look at it in the pot, it doesn't look completely black. It looks a bit brown. So I'm not sure what that's all about, but we will see when I swatch it whether it's actually black or not. But that will be really nice for like sort of autumn designs and things like that. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'm going to get on with it now. I'm going to start putting them on the swatch sticks. And I'm going to just show you in real time the first one, the first coat, and then I will speed it all up so it's not too long of a video. So with this first one, I'm just putting it on. And I am a bit used to using builder gel, so I know that you have to sort of float it along and it's better off to put a thin layer on the entire nail first and use that as what's called a slip layer, and then it's easier to move the gel down over the nail when you put another sort of bead on, another ball of gel. So I'm just stretching that out, and it shows you as well what it's going to look like just with a thin coat on, because you could just put it you know, over a coloured base coat. I'm just showing you over completely clear so you can see exactly what the glitter looks like just on its own. I am going to do designs with these because I love them, so you will see me putting it over colours and things like that. But I'm not going to do it all in one video. I want to space it out and, you know, really have fun with it because I think these gels deserve that because they are amazing. I think they are. And I would give an honest review. If I didn't like them, I would tell you, and I would tell you why. The only issue that I did have with these gels, well, it wasn't the gels, it's this brush. I do love this brush, and I think it would be brilliant for applying gel polish and things like that. But for applying this gel, I would rather use a gel brush because that's what I'm used to. This brush for me, it's a bit too thin for applying this gel, and so it took me a lot longer to apply the gel than it would have done had I just used my normal gel brush. And it does feel a bit funny in your hands because it's square and there's corners on it. It doesn't feel to me like a normal gel brush. So yeah, that's my only issue, which isn't really an issue. I'll just use a different brush. So this is one coat of the Oscar skirt, and how gorgeous is that? So that is gorgeous on its own, but I wanted to do 2 coats and really pack it on to see how much glitter you can actually get. And I don't know if you saw, but I did turn the swatch stick round so that you could see it, and it was completely smooth. So this stuff self-levels amazingly, it really does. There's no lumps and bumps or anything like that, and you can see how thick I'm putting it on. This is the second coat now. I've already cured the first coat, and I've not buffed it, I've not filed it or anything like that. That was just exactly how it was. So I'm just holding it upside down just to help it self-level a little bit more. And then this is how it looks with 2 coats on. It is gorgeous. I love it. Look at that shine. And you can see from the side, and I'm just feeling it there, and there's no bumps on it. And this isn't top coated or anything. So I'm just going in with the top coat now. I'm not going to show you top coating all of them, just this first one. But I do have to say, I'm not too sure about this top coat now. I do love it. I love the consistency of it. But if you look at it as you're getting it out of the pot, or the bottle, should I say, it looks a bit cloudy. It doesn't look completely clear, so I don't think this glitter gel is done much justice with this top coat. If I'd have used the Aimeili top coat, I think I would have got an even like crisper, clearer result, but I'm not sure. I've not tested that, so I might be wrong, but that's just what I think. So yeah, I think that's beautiful. So we're going on with number 2 now. This is the champagne one, and again I'll just show you what it looks like very, very quickly, and then we will put it on. So like before, I'm just putting the slip layer on first, and I think this is like I was going to say champagne colour, of course it is, because that's what it's called. No, it's a really nice gel, I think, to use sort of in autumn, and I have got an autumn collaboration coming up with the Glitter Girls, and so I think this might feature in that design because I love this colour. And it does say to me autumn. So yeah, I'm not just putting one thin layer on and leaving it like that. I'm really packing it on because I want to see exactly how much glitter I can get on, and how it self-levels and all of that stuff. I mean, you can see it there from the side. You can see that I'm playing with it and there's just no bumps. It's really good. The gel that they've put it in, I love it. So this is just one coat of that, and you can see through it, so you can see it's not that opaque yet, but it is still gorgeous. So I'm just going to go in with the second coat of this one now. And oh yeah, I'm just giving it a stir because you should really stir them up just to make sure that all the glitter is even in the pot. So yeah, you can see as I'm putting it on, if you were using dry glitter, there will be bits sticking up all over the place, sticking out the sides and everything, and it's a bit of a pain, especially for a beginner. But I think these gels are brilliant because, like I said, the self-leveling is really good. And you can put it on thin or you can really pack it on, and it makes you look like you've done something, you know, really sort of professional looking, but you've not, you've just painted it on. So I love that about these. So this is 2 coats now, and you can see how that colour has changed. So this is number 3. This is the gold one. So I was just, that swatch stick there was the champagne one just next to the gold, just to show you the difference, because there is a difference. This is, so you can see how holographic the glitter is there. If you just wanted a really thin coat over a base colour, You know, that would look really good. So I'm just going to put some music on now so I don't waffle over every single colour, because you can see what I'm doing, and I'll come back to you in a bit. So this is how the gold one looks, all top coated. And isn't it gorgeous? I love that. And this is it next to the champagne one, just showing you the difference. Okay, so we're moving on to 004. This is the pink one. And I love that. This is one of my favourites. The pink one and the blue one I really like. Sorry, the pink one and the like turquoisey one. So this is the pink one, top coated. Oh, Tiffany Pink it's called, this one. I couldn't remember what the name of it was. So this colour was my all-time favourite. I really, really love this colour. I mean, I'm a bit of a blue fan anyway. And this just screamed out to me, this one. As soon as I opened the pot, this was the one. I mean, I usually go for the pinks and the purples, but this one, I just love it. You do need to remember that I am just putting this on for swatching, so that's why I'm putting so much on. You wouldn't need to put this much on your nails. You get really thick, chunky nails. And I haven't filed these. None of these swatch sticks have been filed because they don't need it. They self-level so well. But I'm not sure how you would do if you put too much on and you'd have to file it down. I'm pretty sure you would file into the glitter and probably ruin it that way. So yeah, just only put the amount that you need on. So here it is, Crystal Lake. This one's called. Oh, it is gorgeous. Definitely my favourite. Tell me which one's your favourite. Which of these colours is your favourite one? I love this one so much. That is going on my nails soon. I think I say that on every video. Every review that I do of a product, I'm like, I'm putting this on my nails. And most of the time I don't, because I just don't get a chance. I did with the Modelones Polygel because I love that as well. You can see it there. I've still got my bling set on when I was doing this, so that's still on. Anyway, right, so we're moving on to the last one now. This is 005 Classic Black, I think it's called. And I did say earlier I thought it was a bit browny in the pot. It looked a bit brown. But it doesn't when you get it on the swatch stick. It is black. So this is really interesting to me because I'm not used to using black glitter. So I do like the way this one turned out. And this is the one where, because I'm doing it over clear, this is the one where you would be able to really notice if it was too thin. But that's only one coat on there, and I think that looks really good anyway. There are a few patches in it, which I'm going to fill in with a second coat. But if you had that over a black base coat, you wouldn't even be able to tell. Okay, so this is the black one. It's now all been top coated, and you can see that it is black and it's holographic and it shines. It's gorgeous, just like the rest of them. So that's number 6, and that is the last one in the collection. So I really hope that you liked all these colours. Here they are all together, so you can see them shine. I've just got my normal light on this one, and then I'll show you in a minute what they look like with you know, a more saturated colour light, and then you can see the colours really pop a bit more. I mean, they pop enough anyway on their own. You can see all the holographic shifting there of those glitters. So yeah, with them all together, they do look so amazing. They really do. I love them. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to any new subscribers that have, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.